Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick review of this ice machine that you see right here. It is extremely simple and easy to use, which I'm so glad I purchased it for that reason. Let me show you exactly what it can do. So at the top, you can see that there are 2 buttons and then there are 5 different LED lights. One button obviously turns it on and off. This other button right here with the cube, it actually switches it between a small and a large. That's what the S and the L stand for. Now, when the crate is full of ice, this ice full LED light will light up so that you know you need to empty it out. And if the water tank is empty, then this add water LED light will light up. What I like about this machine is it automatically turns on and off depending on the different sensors. So if the ice bucket is too full, it will stop making ice until you empty it, and then it will automatically turn back on and start working again. I filled this up with water and I turned it on, and within about 6 to 7 minutes, the first ice cubes started coming out. And then at the time I did have it on small, and I did use my coldest tap water, which is probably 55 degrees. And so it took about 6 to 7 minutes for those first ice cubes. And then after that, it was every 5 to 6 minutes, it would deliver a few more. Even when I changed the size to large, it still was following that same kind of cadence as well. The amount of time it takes for your ice cubes to form is going to depend on how hot or cold it is in your environment, how hot or cold the water is that you put into the tank, and whether you want small or large cubes. So it typically can vary from 6 to 14 minutes for every cycle. But if you let this just sit overnight, it's going to be pretty full, if not full by the morning. And if you let it run all day, it'll be filled throughout the day, which is super convenient. Now it does come with this little scooper, so you can easily get the ice out just like you see right here. And then it does very easily open up just like that, so that you can dip down and scoop out some of the ice. Now for reference, this is the difference between the large pebble and the smaller pebble. You can see they're roughly the same from a distance, but when you hold them together, this one is clearly thicker and just a little bit more filled out. You can see they are hollow in the middle because they have been on a little stand. That's how they form. So they are hollow on the middle, and then it just formed this outer shell like that. And then just because it wouldn't be a nice video without the crunch, let me demonstrate to you what the crunch sounds like. So cold, yet so satisfying. And then here's what a cup of the larger ice cubes looks like. And then here's what a glass of the smaller ice cubes looks like. And then here's an example of the machine actually spitting out the ice. You can see they fall down into that little chamber back there, and then they are automatically scooped into the basket. So honestly, if you're looking for a tabletop ice maker of your own, one that works super reliably, super well, and is relatively quiet, I definitely recommend this one from the brand.